Hello traders, I hope everyone are doing well. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. So today I'm going to expose a method that will help you to find a breakout stocks for that particular week. Okay, so today we will be looking at it. So how to use it, when to use it, and how to take entries, everything will be covered in this today's video. Okay, so let's jump straight to the strategy. The a method to find breakout stocks in a click of a button. Okay, it's quite easy, guys. Okay, so first open your trading view chart. Okay, let it be any chart of your choice. Okay, put it on weekly time frame. Okay, put it on weekly time frame. Once you have done it, there will be an option called as stock screener in the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, just click on it. Okay, so once you have clicked on it, you can see that there are 7,167 stocks that are visible in this screener. So there are certain conditions we are going to input right now, which will show you an amazing highest probability, highest win rate achievable breakout stocks for that particular week. So anytime you can use it for swing trading or for long term investment. Okay, so let me go ahead and jump straight to the filter conditions. Okay, so once you open to the stock screener panel, you can clearly see there is a filter option. Okay, there is a option called as filters. Click on it. So once you click on it, this is the first page you're going to look at. Okay, without touching anything, go to descriptive. Once you go to descriptive, okay, just do the changes what I'm showing you in the screen. Okay, first select exchange as NSE. We don't want BSE stocks to be listed because it includes both mid cap, small cap, or even smaller companies that are directly related to operators. Okay, so we don't want any BSE stocks. And index it, of course, you can let it be on the universal index, and country, of course, it has to be India. Okay, that's it. So don't change anything on this side. Okay, once you have done it, just change the average volume of 60 days to 2 million. Okay, average volume to 2 million for 60 days, and the same thing applies to 90 days on the right side. Okay, apply to 2 million. For 30 days, just change it to 1 million. Okay, 1 million. I repeat, just change the exchange country and change the volume for 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. Okay, yes. So once all these three things are done, go to financials. Okay, once you have came to financials, you don't have to do anything, guys. Okay, just put the price to sales above 1. Okay, price to sales above 1, return on equity above 1. Okay, you got my point, guys? Yes, and return on assets above 1. That's it, guys. Okay, so once you have done it, okay, don't do anything. Okay, don't change any of the numbers that are mentioned here. Just jump to technicals. Okay, once you jump to technicals, just scroll down below and you will see an option like this. Okay, like this. Yes, just click on, okay, just click on near 52 week high, new 6 months high, and new 3 months high. That's all. Only these three options should be selected. Okay, once it is done, you are good to go. So there are 11 filters. Okay, I will repeat. Go to description. Under three tabs, go to description tab. Change the country and exchange and volume for 30, 60 and 90 days. 60 and 90 days to 2 million and 1 million in 30 days. Okay, once it is done, go to financials. Just change return on assets above 1, price to sales above 1, return on equity above 1, and then go to technicals and just select only these three boxes. Okay, near 52 week high, 3 months high, and new 6 months high. Once you're done, you're good to go. So once you close the filter, just click on the option here and save screen as. Okay, save screen as. I have already saved it, so you don't have to click on it. Okay, just select save screen as, give whatever the name you want, and voila. Okay, done. All right. So today morning before the market was opening, I had a lot of stocks in this category. Okay, and make sure to please change the time frame to 1 week. Okay, don't do it on one day, don't do it on 1 month, don't do it on any other time frame. Put it on 1 week. Okay, in 1 week you can refresh the tab. Okay, by evening, once the market gets closed, also you can always refresh the tab. Okay, if you want to get it on auto refreshing mode, you have to pay for a basic subscription. You have to take up a pro subscription in TradingView, which is not needed that much. Okay, yeah, so we have two stocks. Can you see that there are two stocks that came into our radar? Okay, the first condition is apply the filters. Okay, the second condition is once you see the stock here, let's say HCL. Okay, once you see the stock here, you don't have to do anything. Okay, you see the chart, you can clearly see the chart is rising, keep on rising. Okay, you saw the stock that came under the radar, but you have to, second condition is you have to check for a recent high that made on the left side. Okay, left side, this is the price, this is the candle, we got the stock in the scanner. On the left side, is there any recent highs made by the stock? Made by the stock? No, right? This is the recent high. Okay, but on the left side we don't have any highs that are visible, so rule out the stock. Don't choose HCL because the rally is already up and we failed to catch the rally. For example, you can clearly see there is a high here. Okay, if we have captured the stock here, okay, we would have entered at this candle, but the screen is showing the scanner here. From here it would have been keep on showing, but we missed this rally. Okay, we missed around how much? We missed the rally around 11%. So we don't want the stock. Okay, on the left side you look for a recent high. So HCL is ruled out. Second is Max Health. In Max Health, you can clearly see this candle has a recent high, first high, second high. Can you see? There is two highs formed on the left side. On the adjacent side, you can clearly see there are two highs. Correct? So draw a box or a line between that high and this high. Okay? Between that high and this high. Okay? You have to wait for a complete weekly candle to close above this line. Once it closes, that's all. Sky is your limit. Okay, it means the stock is having some potential and it's about to give a breakout. Okay, and today morning before the market opened, actually I was running the scanner. Today is Friday. When I'm recording this video, it is Friday. So I was running the scanner before the market. I was by morning 7:30 or something. I had a lot of stocks in this list. So what I did is I have bookmarked all the list of stocks that came in the radar. Okay, so for example, let's look at HAL. HAL made a breakout. See, HAL made a breakout. Uh, uh, Sorry, I got it on another scanner. I'm so sorry. Let's see. Yeah, Tech Mahindra. So today I got it in the scanner for Tech Mahindra. But you can clearly see on the left side. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, on the left side I have nothing except this. This is the last left side I see, and this high is not broken out. Okay, this high is not broken out. I will wait for some time to have a weekly candle completely closing above this level. Okay, same thing for VEDL. Okay, Vedanta. For Vedanta, I can clearly see on the left side, first high, second high, whatever it is. I see some highs that was made previously on the left side. I have drew a box here, but I am just waiting for a weekly candle close above this level. Same, Max Health. Max Health successfully broken out. Today is Friday, so by evening this candle will close above this level. So either by today evening I will buy the stock, or else Monday morning I will buy the stock. Okay, GPIL. Okay, in GPIL same thing. On the left side, any highs formed? Yes. See, this is the high formed. On the recent left side, the high is formed. I have drew the line. I am keeping the stock under my watch list ready. Whenever a weekly candle closes above this line, I will buy the stock. Ashok Leyland, I got it in another scanner, so please avoid it. Infosys. Infosys, wow. So I can clearly see on left side there are multiple times, nearest highs were made. Okay, and not only that, before that also on the left side there is a recent high. So what I did, I drew a line above these levels. So once there is a weekly candle close that closes above this level, I will buy the stock. I can clearly see the Infosys fighting right now to close above this level, but you can clearly see it has not yet broken. Okay, I will wait. If it breaks today itself, I will buy it by today evening, post 3:15 p.m. I will buy before the market closes with a small quantity, or else on Monday morning also I can buy. Okay, this is the peace of mind scanner, guys. Since we are doing it in a longer time frame, you can invest either on Friday evening or else in the Monday morning also. So all we need is a breakout candle, a weekly candle closing above this level. Okay. Second thing is Wipro. Wipro, we got it in the scanner actually. I think, okay, it's not showing yet. Just refresh it. Refresh it. Okay. So once you see that, you can clearly see Wipro has made a breakout. On the left side, any high is made? Yes. See, here one high is made, an all-time high is made. Okay, so there is a high potential. The first target of high potential rally can be captured from this point to this point. You can clearly see that, right? From this point to this point is already 20% rally. Okay, so 20% rally can be captured once this stock breaks out this level. This level is 308, and right now the stock is trading as 308.5. Wait till today evening. This complete weekly candle should close above this level. Then you can buy it on Monday or today evening also. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay, so and the next stock I got is NMDC. Even NMDC I got it, but there is the completely the candle came down. Okay, it's not even breaking out. Okay, so this is how I find breakout stocks. Not only that, this secret is not known to anyone. There are multiple scanners that are built, screeners that are built using TradingView, but this type of scanner, okay, gives a higher win rate breakout stocks. And you can clearly see premium subscription. Certain fake gurus are selling premium subscription in Telegram, monthly 500 or monthly 1000 or even 2000. They are charging to just to find these type of high probability breakout stocks. They use these type of methods. Okay, I will tell you one thing. Okay, but you can ask me what are why these conditions. Okay, why these conditions, why we are using it. Okay, technically speaking, we want a stock that is reversing from the bottom. Okay, that is reversing from the bottom and it is beating its own quarter. That is the reason we are selecting 3 months high. Second thing, if even after it has been returning from the bottom, it is beating not the first quarter, at least it is beating the second quarter. That is nothing but 6 months altogether. Okay, and the final thing is it is beating its 52-week high. That is nothing but 1 year. That is the reason we are choosing those three options. The second thing, financials, is we are just making sure the company is always profitable. Price to sales is more than one. It means, of course, it's going to be very high. We are just making sure it is positive. Return on equity, of course, ROE, we just want it to be positive, not in the minus value. And return on assets, okay, whatever with the assets the company is having, it is making a lot of returns out of it. We just want it to be positive. That is the reason we are keeping it as one. That's all, guys. We don't want any other option to be clicked here, because you can see that the net debt, total debt. Okay, these companies are already filtered in the companies that are already filtered using these financials will not have debt at all. Will not have that much debt at all. Okay, you can clearly see the stocks that are filtered in my watch list has no debt. Okay, they are financially good. Okay, and in descriptive you can clearly see I have used volume as a very important filter. You know why? Because FIIs or DIIs or retailers or the government, whoever it is, are showing some interest in the stock, are showing some interest in the stock, and the stock is beating its own quarterly results or half yearly results or complete 1 year price. That is as mentioned in the technicals. Okay, that is the reason I have kept of last 1 month volume as 1 million, and 90 days volume as 2 million, and 60 days volume as 2 million. It means for the last 3 months, people have been keep on buying and selling it, or eventually buying it, or showing a lot of interest in this stock. So volume is kept as a viral and a vital filter for this screener method. Okay, okay, fine. So we have found out how to filter the stocks and how to filter them. Okay, because see, don't catch the stocks. Again, I'm telling you, important point, don't catch the stocks that have already rallied. On the left hand side, look for an equivalent or real time or any nearby highs that are made. If there are no highs made on the left hand side of the chart, there is no point in taking the entry. It is not called as a breakout. It is just a momentum. Okay, a stock can go anytime up and fall down also, right? We don't want that. We don't want that opportunity to be taken like that. Okay, we can have the stock going up again and it may come down eventually, which we don't want. Okay, we want a stock that it beats its own high, eventual high. Okay, that too it beats its own eventual high and also has a very good volume that has been accumulating or showing some interest for the last 3 months. That is what we want. So always on the left hand side, always look for a eventual high, okay, equal high that has been made any time of the chart, any time of the chart. Okay, all right. So then only you can take entries. Okay, you can run this scanner from Monday to Friday if you want to create a watch list like this. Okay, there are a lot of stocks, you can clearly see there are a lot of stocks that haven't made a breakout yet. See, I saw Techcom came in the scanner, but I don't see the Techcom has been breaking its own high yet. I will wait for Techcom. So instead of waiting like this, instead of creating a long watch list like this, just do one thing. Run the scanner on Friday evening post the market hours, because the entire week will be completed, right? Because we are looking at weekly candles, right? So end of every week, that is either on Friday evening post market or Saturday or Sunday, okay, run the scanner. Okay, add the stocks in the list. Okay, if you see a eventual high that is on the left hand side, equal high has been broken by a weekly candle that is closed above. Okay, you buy the stock on the Monday. That's all. Monday morning, you enter the market, you invest money, you close the chart, you go to office, you go and do your business, whatever you want. Okay, people can use the scanner as both positional investing scanner and also as a swing trader. Okay, usually I don't keep SLs because I have long-term view in the stock market, and also I don't do intraday trading. Okay, even though if I do swing trading, I don't keep SL. Okay, I'm a very progressive and also an aggressive at the same time. I'm a full-time investor, so I usually don't keep SLs. You can clearly see that trading view itself is giving us a strong buy technical rating. Okay, all the stocks will come under strong buy or buy. Okay, under this filter, that is the beauty of this filter. Okay, no one knows these filter conditions. Okay, people will say that, oh, we have to do techno funda scan, then only we have to invest, we have to look for technical chart pattern that gives a breakout, and also a fundamental study on the stock. No, nothing. I made it very simple. Click the button, get the stocks, look at the equal highs that are formed previously. If it breaks on weekly time frame, you buy it, you sleep, you go and do your work, enjoy with your wife, your children, whatever it is. Yes, that is a main motto of this channel. I want people to become easiest investors, easiest portfolio managers. You don't have to complicate and make some complex studies over stock market, because stock market is not that difficult, but it needs patience and discipline. Follow this scanner for your entire life. You will find you don't need any other tools, screeners, websites to give you or throw stocks at you that makes a breakout. You have trading views, trading view itself. Look at the technical charts, also do the filter, find the stocks, just go and buy it on Monday. Okay, people who have time can do it on a daily basis. You can run the scanner on post market, find the stocks, keep it in your watch list. On the left hand side, if any equivalent high is broken and a weekly candle is closed above, buy it on Monday. Okay, I don't tell anyone to do that because everyone has their own family, right? Work life balance is more important. So don't do that. Just run the scanner on Friday evening or Saturday or Sunday. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, this method is not shown to anyone, and especially these filters are quite important. I didn't focus much on financials. You have seen it, right? I didn't focus much on technicals and also much on fundamentals. I just gave basic commands how to find and filter, keeping volume, considering volume as a vital factor, and keeping the price as a vital factor. That's it. The basic volume and price will run the entire chart, will run the entire industry. Okay, so this is how it is formed. You can clearly see Techem came in the scanner. You can also see Techem has given an earnings report. The quarterly earnings report was a very big surprise, right? A very big surprise. See, 1.12 billion. That is the revenue that made than the estimate. Okay, there is a very big surprise for us. You can clearly see Vedanta has given a surprise for us. Oh my God. See, eventually speaking, whenever the stock is making a breakout, the company is fundamentally doing good. Did you notice that? That is the power of the screener. Okay, these conditions are highly not shown to anyone, or it's not even told to anyone, guys. I'm really telling you, I'm sorry to tell this, people are keeping it as a secret. I don't know why. Only if most of the crowd in the Indian population enters the stock market will go high, then only we can earn money. Okay, so I don't want to keep it as a secret. I'm revealing it to everyone. See, Max Health, they have given a report, 1.75 additional billion dollars, but more than the estimate. More than the estimate it has given as a revenue. It is a surprise, clear cut surprise. GPIL, there is no earnings report given till now. Okay, awesome. Ashoka Buildcon, I got it today. Actually, everything I got it today morning, but right now it is not shown in the scanner. I don't know why, because it is not yet to make a breakout. The weekly candle is very weak. That is the reason why it's not showing today. Okay, see, Ashoka Buildcon made a breakout already. I will buy it either today or on Monday. Okay, Infosys. Likewise, you can check whatever you want. You can check. See, there is a report gave 426 million extra revenue. Awesome. Infosys made a see, the surprise is good. The revenue is good, but the earnings are less. But it's fine. 0.32, just 0.32. But look at the earnings. More 3.3 billion extra than the reported, than the estimated revenue, right? So this is the quality of this screener, guys. Okay, so swing traders use on weekly time frame, and long-term investors just blindly go with monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is not a big deal, guys. Change the chart to monthly time frame. Same. On the left hand side, look for any recent or equivalent highs. Once that high is broken and a monthly candle closes above, it means what? You have to run the scanner only on the month end. Month end means when? The last working day of stock market for that particular month. Evening post market, just click on the scanner, look at the stock, keep it in the watch list, check whether the 52 is what is that, the monthly candle closes above, buy the stock. That's all. On the next month first day you buy the stock. That's all. I usually don't prefer monthly because it's too long and people will not have patience. So check with the weekly scanner. Okay, weekly time frame is more than enough. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, just share it. You don't even have to like my channel or subscribe to my channel. Just give this video to some person who really wants to find a stock that will have an upper potential to move forward. Okay, so that it will help them. Okay, just share it with your friends or family members who really want to earn some money. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye and take care.